Deepak from TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the topic in the image segmentation. Might be you guys are aware about that the image segmentation is one of the trending topic that is used for number of the applications in the biomedical field, in the intelligence field, in detecting objects. Even the AI is also having few applications. Those are using the segmentation at the back end. So segmentation is very much useful for a number of the applications. So what we have done today, we have done image segmentation technique, a proposed technique by using the fuzzy c-mean clustering and one of the more algorithm for providing a proposed system. Also compared the system with the traditional system, so that we can compare that how our system is much better. So let's have a look what exactly we have done. We have number of images. You can give it any of the images. For example, I am selecting this one as a groundnut image. So what it will do, it will process, as it is an iterative process. It will firstly give you the histograms, the edge detection. So the algorithm has been implemented for the segmentation. You can see the accuracy achieved by the proposed is bit higher for the different methods. So at the different scenarios it was done. The segmented image is in front of you, that where the element is over there, the segmented image is there, the fuzzy c-mean section is there. This is after the finalization of the fuzzy c-mean and the proposed algorithm, the combined model. So we have done the comparison over the edge strength and other factors. Histograms of each and every section is also given. The Quora filter is implemented at the initial stage so that pre-processing of the image can be done. The noise can be removed before the segmentation so that the edges can be refined. The Quora filters are very much effective to provide the refined image with preserving the edges, so that can easily be implemented, right? And the objects can easily be detected. As you can see, the original image was bit dull, and when it is enhanced by using the pre-processing model and the Quora filter, you can see it is bit brighter and can easily be detected, and so that the proposed algorithm can segment that section from the image. So that what we have done, and the comparison was also done at the end, as already shown, that can be implemented here, right? So also the biomedical image segmentation is very much popular. So if you want to implement this for any of the other domains, so the code is generic and can be implemented in any of the domain. Biomedical image segmentation, you can read it online and can get the ideas that what exactly they are doing and what are the application for that. So you can see the MRI detection and the optic retina vessels is to be detected from this. The doctors can easily detect that what exactly the issues are there with the patients, right? And many other applications, not only in the biomedical, many other applications are there. For example, Google net is detecting the object. It is firstly segmenting the things, then later on it is detecting that what exactly the object is there in those frames. So the backend algorithm is with the use of the segmentation, which is very quick. Similarly, as you can see, whatever I have shown you, it was very quick. With the iterative process, even it is giving the better results. So I hope you people like this video. For more topics and videos, you can subscribe our channel and stay tuned to our channel also. Thanks for watching the video.